Hey guys, here's part 2. Sorry my phone rang. I just saw the mini excavator when it turned. It's a gel. It says gel on the boom. Walk a little bit closer. I just don't want to be in there, but get in trouble or anything. But it's a gel. So that's why it's probably GE 292. But it'd be cool if it had zero tail. That'd be awesome. Then I'd get as close as I wanted to. I wouldn't care. But yeah, Newholand's an LS 180 super boom. Pretty sure all Newholands are super booms. So let's walk a little closer. See, I just don't want to be here, right in their way, just in case they get mad. Okay, you can see there. Yeah, see, it's a gel. He's like just hitting the wall too. Now he's backing up. They're digging pretty deep, I can see from here. Newholand's right in front of me. Let's see if it says gel right there. Never seen a gel mini excavator in person, I'll tell you that. Looks like these are the rocks they stacked and took out. God, I want to get so close. I want to be right there getting down deep. It's not going to kill me if I go over there. I mean, what's the worst they can do? Just tell me to back up a little bit. Whatever, so see how close we can get. I don't know. I don't want to get super close. I think the mini excavator's in a custom livery. Maybe that's why it's like that. And then they'll get the Newholand up and running and getting all the dirt out. So yeah. Maybe I'll make a part 3. This runs out, sorry. I got like a lot of time left, so. It's a wider bucket that they're using. Back up a little bit. This guy's walking toward me. I think he's gonna get in the Newholand. I don't know. I'm gonna stay here.